Do you ever wonder what it truly takes to be rich? Most people think of wealth as having a bank account overflowing with money, but richness goes far beyond the physical accumulation of currency. It's about a mindset, a way of seeing yourself, your world, and your potential. What if I told you that you hold the power to create wealth, starting right now, simply by shifting the way you think? Here's the truth: riches are not about luck or hard labor alone. They begin within you, in the fertile soil of your imagination. Whatever you deeply believe to be true about yourself and your life will eventually take root and grow. If you carry the belief that abundance is out of your reach, then it will remain distant. But if you can see yourself as already wealthy, you will inevitably attract wealth into your life. The key lies in your assumptions. What you assume about yourself, day in and day out, defines your experience. Begin to assume that you are rich, not in a superficial or boastful way, but in a calm and assured way. Feel what it's like to already have everything you desire. Close your eyes and picture the life you wish to live. Let that vision become so real in your mind that it feels tangible. This is the first step to transforming your outer world. Wealth starts with gratitude. Look around and notice the abundance that already exists in your life. Do you have a roof over your head? Food to eat? People who care for you? Acknowledging these blessings opens the door for more to flow into your life. When you are grateful, you are telling the universe, "I have enough," and the universe responds by giving you more. Another important principle is clarity. Be specific about what you desire. Saying, "I want to be rich," is vague. What does richness mean to you? Is it financial freedom, the ability to travel, or the power to help others? Define it clearly, and then align your thoughts and feelings with that vision. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Carry it with you in your mind until it becomes as familiar as your own name. Doubt is the greatest enemy of wealth. If you find yourself doubting whether you can achieve financial success, recognize that doubt is simply a habit of thought. It is not a reflection of your true potential. Whenever doubt arises, replace it with a more empowering belief. Tell yourself, "I am capable. I am deserving. Wealth is my natural state." Repeating these affirmations might feel strange at first, but over time, they will shape your inner dialogue and, ultimately, your reality. Richness also requires action. This doesn't mean you need to toil endlessly, but you must take inspired steps toward your goals. When you align your thoughts with abundance, you'll notice opportunities presenting themselves. Act on them. Whether it's starting a new venture, learning a skill, or simply saving a little more each month, these small actions accumulate and lead to significant results. One of the most overlooked aspects of wealth is generosity. To be rich is to share what you have. This might seem counterintuitive, especially if you're just beginning your journey to abundance. But giving, whether it's money, time, or kindness, creates a flow of energy. When you give, you signal to the universe that you trust in its ability to provide for you, and in return, the universe sends more your way. Wealth is not just about material possessions, it's about the freedom to live life on your terms. Imagine waking up each day knowing that you have the resources to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a difference in the world. This vision can become your reality, but it starts with the belief that it's possible. Let us shift the focus to something that is often overlooked in conversations about wealth: your relationship with time. Time is one of the most valuable assets you have, yet many squander it on activities that don't align with their goals. If you want to create true wealth, begin by valuing your time. Consider every hour as an investment. Are you spending it on activities that move you closer to your vision of richness, or are you dissipating it on distractions? The wealthy mindset involves prioritizing tasks that yield the highest value. This doesn't mean working harder or longer, but working smarter. Identify what truly matters to you, whether it's building skills, nurturing relationships, or pursuing a project with high potential. Pour your energy into those areas. Eliminate time-wasting habits and commit to a disciplined approach to your goals. Time, used wisely, compounds like money. Another crucial aspect of wealth creation is learning to detach from the opinions of others. Many people hold themselves back from pursuing their dreams because they fear judgment. They stay within the confines of what society deems safe or acceptable. But wealth requires boldness. You cannot create something extraordinary by staying in the comfort zone of approval. To grow rich, you must trust your own intuition and make decisions that align with your vision, regardless of external validation. A vital yet underdiscussed element of abundance is the power of consistency. True wealth is rarely built overnight. It requires a steady, persistent effort. Think of a tree that grows tall and strong. It doesn't happen in a day, but through years of consistent nourishment. Your thoughts, actions, and beliefs work the same way. Stay consistent in affirming your wealth, taking aligned actions, and maintaining your vision. Over time, this persistence will yield results that far exceed your expectations. The most successful people in the world continually expand their knowledge. They understand that the world is constantly evolving and that staying stagnant is not an option. Knowledge gives you the confidence to make informed decisions and avoid pitfalls. The more you know, the more empowered you are to create and sustain wealth. Wealth is also deeply tied to creativity. Many believe that creativity is reserved for artists or inventors, but in truth, creativity is the ability to think differently, solve problems, and innovate. Ask yourself, how can you bring a unique perspective to the table? What can you create that adds value to others? The wealthiest people are often those who solve problems or bring fresh ideas into the world. By tapping into your innate creativity, you open up endless possibilities for growth. Another critical factor is resilience. On the path to wealth, you will encounter challenges. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and failures. But these are not signs to give up, they are opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Resilience is the ability to adapt and persevere. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Every obstacle holds a lesson that can help you move closer to your goals. Let's not forget the importance of health in your pursuit of wealth. Without physical and mental well-being, it becomes difficult to sustain your efforts. Wealth is not just about having money, it's about living a fulfilling life. Prioritize your health by eating well, staying active, and maintaining a positive mindset. When you feel good, you think clearly and attract opportunities that align with your goals. Your health is the foundation upon which all other forms of wealth are built. Pay attention to the role of faith in your journey. Faith is not blind optimism but a deep trust in the process. It is the belief that your efforts will bear fruit, even when the evidence is not yet visible. Faith keeps you grounded during uncertain times and gives you the courage to take risks. Cultivate this inner confidence and watch how it transforms your external reality. As you continue to think of this mindset, note that patience is essential. The seeds you plant today may take time to grow, but trust in the process. Hold on to your vision, nurture it with positive thoughts and inspired actions, and allow the universe to unfold its plan. And, surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. The company you keep has a profound impact on your beliefs and actions. Seek out those who embody the qualities you wish to cultivate: positivity, ambition, and generosity. Together, you can amplify each other's success and create a network of mutual support. To become rich is not to chase wealth but to attract it. By transforming your inner world, you will inevitably transform your outer world. You are the master of your destiny, and everything you need to succeed is already within you. Start today. See yourself as the person you wish to become. Feel the joy, the confidence, and the peace that comes with knowing you are abundant. From this state of mind, your wealth will grow, and you'll come to see that true richness is a state of being, a reflection of who you are at your core.